Alright, here we go again. January 24th, 2022. I'm in Long Beach at a mother's market. Of course, I'm here quite often, actually. Take a look at this. We have more here. I really want to show these as long as I can. I want people to really look at these crafts that are doing this nonsense. Yeah, just look at this. Yeah, people are getting sick, all right. I wonder why. This is not water vapor, my friends. Even though they spent millions convincing you that that's what it is. The children's book saying it's water vapor. The whole bit. I looked in the libraries and all that stuff. It's all. They took the old style clouds out and put all this crap in there and saying it's natural. Just sick. Sorry for the jerking here. Let me reboot here. Yeah, this is just a quickie, but people need to pay attention to the skies here. They are doing this. There's no doubt about it. It's not a conspiracy theory. And if people are sick, I guarantee this is one of the contributors, and a big one. All right? So, talk to you soon. I'm out.